If your Magento store is still on version 2.3, then you might be at the risk of getting hacked. And the scary part, most store owners don't even realize it. Magento 2.3 has reached end of the life. That means no security updates, no official support, high risk of hacks and data breaches. I have personally seen businesses lose customer data and even get malware injected, and even worst, lose the complete store access. And all this just because they didn't upgrade on time. Magento upgrades are not just click and upgrade. It involves compatibility check of extensions, theme breaking, database migrations and server configuration changes. One wrong step and your complete live store can go down. Recently a client came to us after store crashes during the upgrade attempt. Checkout stopped completely, order failed and the revenue dropped instantly. They tried saving money but ended up losing much more. At SMB Tech Solution, we follow a safe upgrade process. Full backup before upgrade, compatibility check of the extensions, upgrade first on the staging, zero downtime deployment and post upgrade testing. So your business runs smoothly without risk. After upgrade, your store becomes stable, performance increases, SEO and speed better, smooth checkout experience. If your store is still on version 2.3, don't wait to something bad happen. Click on the link below in the descriptions. Let's secure our site before it's too late. And in my next video, I'll show you what breaks during the Magento upgrades. Make sure you subscribe.